guys, welcome back to the channel. Rush from more reviews, and thanks for checking out this video as well. Today we're taking a drive down Hagley Park Road, just to check on the update of the road. If you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe so you can see more content. Remember to like the video, share the video as well so that more persons can see, and let me know what you think about the road itself. So Hagley Park Road. So for the most part, the road is almost finished. We're seeing that they added another layer of asphalt to the road. So now the manual covers are more blended in. We're seeing for the street lights, the space is there. Electrical wires are there as well. So the street lights are being installed. Still have a few to go. For the most part, the sidewalk as well is completed. We see they're doing minor road works, like for here. They are resurfacing right here. Then we're also seeing where some of the minor roads leading onto Hagley Park Road and leading off Hagley Park Road. We're seeing those areas still being worked on. For example, cables, drainage, and stuff like that. Just past flew over on the right. So we're driving from halfway tree down to the 3 miles area. Just taking a look at the progress of the road work. I think definitely by the end of 2019 everything should be finished. And I know that the businesses and other persons that use this road on a daily basis will be definitely happy when it's completely finished and it's just smooth sailing. Number of stoplights as well, just to manage the traffic and just to ensure that persons coming off or going onto some of the minor roads from Hagley Park Road are able to do that with ease. So Hagley Park Road almost finished. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know you guys comment in terms of the progress of the work and everything. Not sure if they'll be adding any other layer of asphalt, because the road now seems to be flush with the manual covers. So I'm not sure if they'll add another layer of asphalt. But let me know what you guys think. I don't know if you guys know any other information. Alright, so we're driving down to the 3 mile overpass. So just come along, drive with me. Alright, so we're getting closer to the 3 miles overpass. This is the intersection for Walton Park and Hagley Park Road. So as I mentioned, most of the roadway is complete. Sidewalks, drainage, most of the light post is also up. Alright guys, remember to share, remember to like, leave your comments as well in terms of what you think about the road so far. I'll be ending the video shortly until next time. And again, thanks for watching.